Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're discussing the best sublimation printer for fine art. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we have researched the top sublimation printers on the market today and narrowed down our selection to the best of the best. We have also included the link of each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Canon Pro 4100 Fine Art Printer. The Canon Pro 4100 is an exceptional fine art sublimation printer with professional quality printing and stunning color accuracy and detail. Its cutting-edge printing technology and 12-color ink system can reproduce even the most intricate and vibrant fine art prints. The printer's compact design and USB connectivity make it an ideal choice for artists, photographers, and designers who need a reliable and efficient printing solution. The Canon Pro 4100 boasts a 44-inch wide printing format, which allows for printing on large-sized fine art papers, making it ideal for galleries and exhibitions. It is a versatile printer that can handle various paper types, including plain paper, photo paper, and even specialty fine art papers. The printer also comes with a 1-year on-site warranty, ensuring any issues can be resolved quickly and efficiently. Its advanced features, excellent print quality, and reliability make the Canon Pro 4100 the #1 choice for fine art printing. In other words, it's a must-have for anyone who takes printing seriously and wants to produce truly breathtaking prints. So if you like this fine art sublimation printer, then check out the link given in the description box below to purchase it right now. Number 2 is Epson SureColor P900. If you are an artist or photographer looking for a printer that can produce exceptional image quality and vibrant colors, the Epson SureColor P900 might be a perfect choice. This sublimation printer is designed to meet the needs of fine art professionals who demand the best print quality and color accuracy. One of the best features of the P900 is its Ultrachrome Pro 10 ink system, which includes violet ink for a wider color gamut and richer colors. Additionally, the printer has dedicated nozzles for both photo and matte black ink, eliminating the need for switching between them. The 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead ensures consistent and accurate prints with exceptional speed. Printing from smart devices is made easy with the P900's intuitive interface, allowing color-managed files to be printed directly from iOS devices. The carbon black driver technology provides best-in-class black density on glossy papers, making it an ideal option for printing fine art photographs. The P900 also boasts professional media handling, accommodating rolls, and sheet media up to 1.5 mm thick of Epson professional, signature-worthy, legacy papers, and third-party media. The 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and interior LED light make the printer easy to use. If you want to buy this printer right now, then check out the link provided in the description box. Number 3 is Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 sublimation printer is a top-of-the-line option for fine art enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best. This printer has been designed with the specific needs of dye sublimation printing in mind, which means it produces stunningly vibrant, long-lasting prints that will stand the test of time. One of the key features of this printer is its use of Sawgrass UHD ink. This ink provides a wider color gamut and better image quality than traditional dye sublimation inks, ensuring your prints will be true to life and eye-catching. The SG500 also boasts a maximum resolution of 4880 by 1200 dpi, meaning you can achieve sharp and detailed prints up to 8.5 by 14 inches in size. In addition to its exceptional print quality, the SG500 comes with a range of accessories and extras to help you get started immediately. This includes premium sublimation paper, design access cards, a sublimation blank sample pack, and 4 rolls of ProSub heat-resistant transfer tape in different sizes. You'll also have access to Creative Studio, an online design software that lets you easily customize your designs. To top it all off, the SG500 comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, premium one-on-one onboarding, and lifetime support from the largest authorized dealer. If you want to purchase this sublimation printer right now, then check out the link in the description box. Number 4 is Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. Fine art printing requires a printer that can deliver exceptional photo quality, a wide color gamut, and borderless prints. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 is one of the best sublimation printers for fine art that meets these requirements. Its 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system includes red and gray inks that produce vivid and accurate colors, enhanced black and white prints, and smooth tonal gradations. The ultra-compact A3 Plus printer is 30% smaller than its predecessor and easily fits on your desktop. The XP 15000 features a 50-sheet rear tray for specialty media, including cardstock, and accommodates a variety of paper finishes and borderless sizes from 4 inches x 6 inches to 13 inches x 19 inches. The printer supports auto two-sided document printing with a 200-sheet front tray and never runs out of ink thanks to the dash replenishment feature that automatically orders more ink when you're running low. Overall, the Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 is an excellent choice for anyone needing easy-to-use, high-quality fine art printing at home. If you are interested in this printer, check out the link in the description box below to buy it. Number 5 is Epson Workforce Pro WF78 series. Are you looking for a sublimation printer that can produce high-quality prints for your fine art projects? Look no further than the Epson Workforce Pro WF78 series. This printer is equipped with a 4.3-inch color touchscreen that allows for quick navigation and control. It also comes with the Epson Smart Panel app, which enhances connectivity and productivity from your mobile device. Setting up the printer is a breeze, thanks to its wireless capabilities, including Bluetooth Low Energy, built-in Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet networking. With two 250-sheet input trays, a 50-sheet rear tray, and an automatic document feeder that can handle up to 50 sheets, the WF78 series is designed for productivity. It also offers automatic two-sided printing and can print up to 13 inches by 19 inches, making it perfect for wide-format printing. Using Precision Core heat-free technology, this printer delivers high-speed prints of up to 25 black/12 color ISO ppm with a fast first page out. Plus, it uses accurate dot placement and Dura-Bright Ultra Instant Dry Pigment inks to ensure that your prints are of the highest quality. If you like this printer, then you can purchase it by visiting the link in the description box below. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer for fine art. If you like any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.